Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting into the router now. Make sure the Mobily 5G unit is powered and your device is on its network. Once done, open a browser and enter the router IP address shown on the label or your network settings. If prompted, log in with the admin username and password printed on the device or set by you earlier. You do this because local login gives the controls required to change SSID and WPA settings. Keep credentials handy for the next step. Once logged in, go straight to the wireless or network section. Many Mobily pages label it Wi-Fi or WLAN. You should see separate entries for 4 GHz and 5 GHz. Choose the band you plan to update. Now locate the security area where SSID and passphrase appear. Change the SSID only if you want a new network name and enter a strong password. Use at least 12 characters mixing letters, numbers, and symbols so devices reconnect securely. Save settings to apply changes. After you save the new passphrase, the router may restart. Make sure you reconnect each device using the updated password. If a device won't connect, forget the network on that device and rejoin. This clears cache settings that block authentication. If you cannot access the admin page because credentials changed or you're locked out, perform a factory reset as a last resort. But remember that reset wipes custom settings and you must reconfigure the router from scratch, so use it only when necessary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.